everyone. Right now I'm at a beautiful spot. Around me you can see small tea stalls and big shady tree where people come to sit and relax. Behind me the water is flowing over the dam, making the place look really calm and refreshing. Local shops sell snacks, tea, and bikers often stop here to enjoy the view. It's really simple, natural and calm, a perfect place to take a break and breathe. I hope you enjoy the video and see you in the next video, guys. I am saying to bye-bye from Mohanpur Rubber Dam, which is located in Dinaspur district and under the Rampur division.